Tell me about safety. How did the patients do on the trial? What kind of safety signals, what kind of adverse events can you look for these patients?
Yeah, so in the Larotrectinib trials, the drug was incredibly safe. And I can say that personally because I've treated many of these patients. And the most common side effect being fatigue. And again, mostly grade 1 to 2 adverse events, which is really minimal, and oftentimes we did not do anything to kind of alter their course in that sense. The second most common adverse events were, the most common other adverse events were including a slight dizziness, which is not unexpected given the fact of the target of this molecule. And at least with Larotrectinib, there was an increase in the AST/ALT.
That means the liver enzymes were elevated?
Liver enzymes, yes, I'm sorry, liver enzymes. Entrectinib has a slightly different safety profile. The most recent data that was presented at ESMO with, I think it was 55 patients, the most common side effect was actually dysgeusia, which is this taste change, right? And constipation and diarrhea were also very common side effects with entrectinib, and that may just reflect the multi-kinase nature of entrectinib versus larotrectinib or Vitrakvi.
Okay, so tell me this. So were there any patients that were taken off for serious side effects or something? Are there any serious side effects that you see a little bit of you see dizziness, you see all these side effects which should which one should watch out for, but any serious side effects which patients came off for?
Offhand, both the phase 1 and phase 2, I don't think there were any patients who were immediately taken off secondary to severe side effects. Some of them did eventually have, obviously eventually did come off for progression of disease. Some of those patients did have grade 3 events, but again, the rate was very low relative to other drugs that we've tested in early setting. And so again, the overall safety profile of both Larotrectinib and entrectinib have been really favorable.